Creating Sam's Club-style hot dogs at home is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through the steps. Begin by filling a pot with enough water to fully submerge the hot dogs. If desired, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, carefully place the hot dogs into the pot, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Overcrowding can affect the cooking process, so it's essential to maintain space between each hot dog. Reduce the heat to low and let the hot dogs simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. It's crucial not to let the water boil vigorously again, as this could cause the casings to split. After simmering, use tongs to remove the hot dogs from the water and allow any excess water to drain off. Now, it's time to move on to grilling. Preheat your grill to medium heat. If desired, brush the grill grates with oil to prevent sticking. Place the hot dogs directly on the grill grates. You can choose to cook them over direct or indirect heat, depending on your preference for cooking speed. Grill the hot dogs for 5 to 7 minutes per side, turning occasionally to ensure even cooking. Look for a golden brown color and make sure there are no raw spots in the center. Once done, remove the hot dogs from the grill and let them cool slightly before serving. Alternatively, you can also cook the hot dogs on the stovetop. Heat a pan over medium heat with a thin layer of oil. Add the hot dogs to the pan and cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side, again aiming for a golden brown color with no raw spots in the center. Once cooked, remove the hot dogs from the pan and let them cool briefly before serving. Whether grilled or pan-fried, these homemade hot dogs will surely satisfy your cravings. Enjoy!